Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, real short vlog. I mean, uber short here. Just continuing to document what I'm doing on the Del Sol. It's over there. It's fine. The front subframe. I sanded it. I primed it. I painted it. I need to get it back on the car. That's it. That's all we're doing. Okay.
Constellations, something spoke. Connected the dots to the lake of space. They hustle and wrestle to forge their shape. You soar higher in the sky. It never fades, it never dies. Sturdy rays that shimmer gold. Set an arrow down below. Set the sky like a silver streak. It made me cold, it made me weak. Through the dust of heaven, painted a track. We caught the arrow, sent it back. A lake of tears, anything than 1,000 years. With all our hopes and all our fears, raise you up and left me here. She fell from the stars, right into my arms. She keeps on.
It's back in. Thank Christ. It was fucking hot. The couple bolts that I put in, where is it? What am I pointing at with this? Oh, right there, that one. And then one underneath there, on each side. Right there, and back there. So, all right. Whew, that was heavy, I'm tired. My shirt's ruined again. It's fine. It was already ruined. The OldSols Ponca Pub shirt, the collab we did a while back. It's old high tide out in Colorado. If you guys are out in Colorado, make sure to stop by the good old Ponca Pub. Get yourself some delicious food and drinks. He's our Rocky Mountain OldSols ambassador. Enough about that. Yeah, subframe back in. I only did 4 of those bolts. Because that's all it needs to hold up right now. But I'm gonna start on the suspension, the manual rack. Getting it back to all of this back in the car. So it can at least be on rollers, not rollers, on all 4 tires again, so it can roll out of here. That's kind of the goal. So I will continue to clean, respray, repaint, seal, and redo all the stuff going on inside the car. I'm tired and I'm hot and I'm sweaty. It's a little muggy out here, but that's it for this vlog. Peace.